What's going on, guys? And in today's video we are going to be starting a cattle farm from scratch. Let's get to it. So our starting farm, we have our nice 1972 Ford side bed, and with our cattle trailer. We also have our bale shed, and we have our International 1086 Turbo for our planter. We also have the, what is this? We also have the case, and we have some tillage there. And we also have our forage harvester with the, what is this? What is this? 1206. Now, this is going to be our starter farm. So this is what we have right now for feed and the bales. So, and we will also be upgrading this farm slowly. So, let's get to forage harvesting. How do you work this thing? Put that out. Put this down. Ooh! First year. Oh, perfect. There we go. Now, if you want to see more of this, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, because I will definitely be doing more of this. And what I'm playing on is American Farming, a brand new game that just came to mobile on Saturday, and it is really good. Like, you can have your nice first-person view, you have your nice corn animation. It's a really nice game. So I would suggest getting this game and subscribing to my channel, because I will be doing more of this content. So let's get to corn harvest, or to forage harvesting. And we are almost done the headland passes. So we will get Mr. AI on here. Oh, jeez. Well, just cutting right through the field. Anyways, we'll let him do that. You know what we should do? We should put some bales in the... We should put some bales in the pasture, because then I will be going to pick up some cattle after that, because we are starting a cattle operation after this. So I will get to doing that after I put, I'd say about 4 bales in there should do. So let's just get to putting these in, one at a time. Alright, that's good. Reverse out of here. Well, you guys get the gist, and I will see you guys when enough bales are in there and we will go get my cattle. Alright, we are just putting the last bale in. That should do the cattle well. Yeah, I think that should do. If they need more, we can always add more, so at least we know that. So I'm gonna go put this tractor away and hop in the Ford and get some more, or get our first cattle in there. So park that, hop out. Very nice character, I have to say. Just hop in here. Start her up. Alright, so let's go pick up some cattle. Go on the road here, and let's go. Oh yeah, I gotta plant that field too. I'll do that when we get back. I will see you guys when we get to the animal dealership. Alright, we are at the dealership. Let's just purchase some beef cow. How much is that? Sure, why not? 15,000. Not bad. Not bad, not bad, not bad. And let's get off. And back to our farm. Ooh, baby, she's squatting. Yeah, she has a little bit of a load back there. Just a little bit. Oh, also, I need to go pick up a trailer. I'll go to the dealership. How much is it exactly? Oh. We need to earn a little bit of money, don't we? Lovely. Well, at least I'll be making money off beef cattle. So, that's always good. Yeah. Also, shout out to the Squad Built team for making this game. They did a really good job on this. And, yeah, I just love this game. So, shout out to them for taking 3 years to build this game. They did a really good job, and yeah, they just did a great job all in all. So, we are back at the farm. Let's throw her down. Perfect. Put some of the cattle in here. Excuse me. Unload all. Huh. Okay. Well then I'll just go put these over here, I guess. Okay. Well, that didn't work, so I guess we'll go back and sell these ones. Because I can't keep them without feeding them, so I guess why not? Let's just go sell them and maybe we can get a trailer and yeah. I wonder, yeah. So we will go back to the dealership and sell these cattle for money, I guess. I mean, I don't want to just leave them in there starving to death. So, it's our only option, you know? I'd rather these cows have a different owner than starving in a trailer. So, I will sell these cattle and hopefully we'll have enough money to get a trailer. So, just pull into here, neutral, IE, sell. Ooh. Perfect. Alrighty. We'll drop this trailer off at the house and grab our new one. Here. I'll just buy it now. Oh. We'll do the small one for now. $3,000. But we'll probably make that back. So, it's fine with me. And there's our trailer there. So, we will go drop this trailer off. And then we'll grab that trailer. So, I will see you guys when we're at the store. Alrighty, we are at the shop now. So, I will hook up to our trailer. This should help us out with bales a lot. I'm hoping. Because we can hopefully put our bales on here. Perfect. Casually jump it off. Perfect. Buy sign. Yeah. This is a really nice trailer. Especially what I'm taking it through. Oh, I almost forgot. My thing's almost loaded. Also, I need to see. How much? Oh, that's not cheap. You know what? We'll save up for that. Yeah, I was trying to buy another wagon, but we couldn't. We don't have the money. So, whoa, Nelly. Let's see my backing up skills. Hold on. Just see my backing up skills here. Pretty good. Pretty good if I do say so myself. That's good. Perfect. So, we'll go park my truck right here. Perfect. Let's go get this guy unloaded. So, I will have to dismantle the AI, fold her up, because we have to go unload this. Dang, you did a good job. Wow, you're so great. You missed every corn stalk. Great. AIs these days, man. I can't handle this. Alright. Stop her there. There we go. Should be unloading into there. And then we can get some feed too, which is nice. Yeah, that's gonna be really nice. There we go. Now we have some feed for the cattle, so we don't need to worry about that. And I will get our AI running again so we can hopefully I will get to planting. Fire up the 1086, and we'll unfold the case planter, lower her down, first gear. Yeah, no, I'm not falling for that. Seems to be planting fine. Just gonna do the headlands here. And one day, I'm hoping to get that field. Probably don't have the money for it right now. So, ooh, this is pretty nice. I like this. It's cool. Yeah, I don't think we have the money for that field, but one day that day will come where we can buy the fields we want. But that's not today. Yeah, that's not today. We only have $3,000 to our name. We can't do that. That field's probably like 7. I don't even know. 70, 180. I don't know. I haven't looked at the prices of fields in a little bit, but yeah, one day, my friends, one day. And that's why maybe you should subscribe so you can see me get that field. So, yeah. And also hit that like button. Yeah. So, planting seems to be going good. Depth seems good. Doesn't seem to be any problems with the planter. So, we should be good. So, I will see you guys when we're done the headlands of this field. Alrighty. We are done the headland passes, which means we can do our up and downs now, which I personally like going up and down. So lower the planter down and let's get going up and down. Also, let me tell you a little bit about American farming while I'm planting. American farming is a mobile game that came out on Saturday, and it has been in the makes for years, and yeah, they have just done so much work on this game, and it is actually produced by the Squad. I'll have a link for his channel in the description. But yeah, he is a farm sim YouTuber that made this, which is really cool that he made this kind of corn animation and dust animation like this on iOS. That is really, really cool. I've never seen anything like that. And right now there's not much selection for stuff, but in the next couple weeks there will be some updates to this game, because yes, they need to update it sometimes. But yeah, there will be updates in the next coming weeks, so don't worry. This is just the newly released version. It's not the full game right now. But yeah, I'm really excited to see what this game has to offer in terms of updates and equipment and all that stuff. I'm excited to see what it has to offer, because yeah, and multiplayer stuff, I can't wait for that, because I personally want to play with some other YouTubers, maybe have a collab with them. So yeah, but that's just a little bit of the backstory about American farming. And yeah, it is also different prices in different countries, as you know. For me, I personally live in Canada, and I got this game for $10, which isn't bad for a game like this. But as I was in a stream with a YouTuber, with Spencer TV, and other people were saying it's $7.99. So I don't really know the price, so you can go check that out for yourself. And it looks like we are on the last path. No, we have to do a little one back, but that's no biggie. Yeah, that should be no problem. So I will see you guys when the field is done. And the field is officially done. Perfect. Lift it up, fold it up. Fold. Thank you. folder up. And let's get going. Because I first personally want to feed the cattle. And then we'll be good to go. Bing, bang, boom. We are knocking stuff out this episode. Wow. Open the bay door. Perfect. Go park this inside. And yeah. So just back her in. Use my backing up skills. Ooh, look at the shake of that planter. That was cool. Dunk. Dunk. Back it up right in the corner. Perfect. Back right up to this. And we will put this in the shed too. Because why not? We could make this farm a little neater. Right. Back it up. Come on, RG Nash, use your backing up skills. There we go. Unhook that. Perfect. Shut the bay door. And sure, we'll put this right there. Perfect. Switch vehicles. You know what? I'm gonna finish this up myself. This is a mess. So, I think I'm gonna do rows going north to south. So, that seems like a good plan to me. So, I will do that. Go along here. Next time, I think with this, I will do the headland rows too with the AI, because the AI cannot handle doing just the friggin' rows here. It just freaks out. We don't like when AIs freak out. So, alright. Oh yes. Love getting corn stalks in the face. Yep. Day in the life of a farmer. Well, an American farmer, actually. Alright. So... turn her around here. Come on, baby. Biggest snake. Perfect. Well, this seems to be going good. So I will see you guys when it is all done. Alright. Our harvester is full again. I've made some progress here, so we are gonna go empty this. I wonder how full it's getting. dump that out. Perfect. Should be going in. I hope at least. So, get this emptied and get back to harvesting. So, I will see you guys when the field is done. Alright, we are all done the field. So, let's just empty the last little bit into the bin, the silo here. And then we will be done. What is... There we go. Perfect. Well, I don't feel like trying to put this in the shed. So, I am going to park it out front here. Just the other way around here. I have an idea. We just go this way, go around, go over here, over the grass. Stick it nice and close to the shed. Gear 1. That should do there. Perfect. Put my tractor over here. Beside this one. Well, actually, I'm gonna use this one for feet. So, let's go get this feed loaded up and put in the bin, or the trough here. Just gonna hook up here. Should be able to dump it in. Go over here again. What the? What is it, just stuck? Okay, so I got it figured out. You need to be a specific way. So... Oh, wrong side. Hold on. We are going to just kind of go around, put some in the the trough here. There we go. Let's see. Animals. They have enough feed. Cool. That should be good. We'll also put some bales in there. Then we'll get to tillage because we need to keep this cattle running. You know what? I'm gonna park this in the barn real quick. Just gonna back her up here. Maybe at a faster speed would be nice. Open the barn doors. Not the timing I wanted, but hey. Move her forward. Perfect. Put this right here. Now, let's quickly run over here. Check how they're doing on bales. Wait a minute. Why are there only 3 cows in here? Oh well. Okay, they're good. So, they should be good. Okay, let's get to wait a minute. How's this field doing? Oh, it still has to grow. Okay. Hi. Yes. Oh. There you are. Okay. Let's get do some tillage. Alrighty, let's get to some tillage. Open up the bay door here. Alright. Perfect. And unfold it. Lower her down. Perfect. You know what? Let's get AI to do it. Headlands and rows. Ooh. Nope. Perfect. Doesn't seem to be anything else to do here. Only February. Not much to except for no. Got the truck here. It's got him rolling. This is not gonna be ready to go for like another long time. So I think that's where I'm gonna end the video today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Shout out to the Squad Built team for making this game, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace!